This is called Make It Rain.
Going great.